what? Our favorite, the side gunner? Can you believe it? Or is it the Imperial gunner?
The impromptu video of just, I have to document it. There I am grabbing out the side gunner out of the case to pack it up to sell. We got a tanker for about $300 shipped. Frankly, I can't remember, that's probably what I bought it for. You just can't beat it. The side gunner is, it's just the coolest ship ever. Let me see if I can, I'm gonna have to just flip another video one second. Real impromptu video, just the side gunner coming at you. It's got his top gun right here. It's got his side gunning action here, and it is the coolest ship ever. And we have the extra side gunner, so I will hope in big dreams of finding another fuselage that the side gunner action will come back to me again. Yep, and here's the box that's going to be shipped away to its new owner, and we have the planetary map that's in there, and the inserts, and the sticker map, sticker sheet. Yep, the side gunner. Yep. Okay, this is the quick impromptu video of the side gunner. Peace out. Okay, I am trying to just put this back in its box, and I'm gonna put a better comprehensive video, but I've just got just wrapping it around it. I'm gonna see what I can do better to make it work to pack this together. Here we go. So far, it looks like, yes, I just popped this off, which I knew I could do easily, and get this, it just makes it more conducive, and I'll just try to fit this in now with, I guess maybe, yeah, I'll probably put this back on and then fold that in. So that's the idea. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I would say yes, that's how the best way to do it. Remove the side gun and get it in there, and it's safely cocooned in there, and they got the rest of the ship in there, and that's gonna be my way to send it. Yeah, okay, cheers. And then packing job for this one, funny enough, this is the exact box that someone else sent it to me, so I'm gonna put more bubble wrap around the edges here and send it off like that, just more bubble wrap. Okay, there we are. There's gonna be the packing job, more bubble wrap around the edges. Cheers.
That's a wrap, folks. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. The side gunner is closed. The action is over. Go home.